Move up to luxurious living in the heart of the medical community in this meticulously designed 5-bedroom home located only a half-mile from Huntsville Hospital. Upon arrival, you're greeted with gentle stairs that rise to the front door and are crowned with a covered porch to help protect your guests. Step through the arched double front doors onto marble floors anchoring the foyer and take in the view out to the private patio nestled between the owner's retreat and formal dining room. Hardwoods run from the foyer to the family room where 4 sets of double French doors offer access to the wraparound patio on the front and side that offer wonderful views. You'll feel like royalty with the masonry fireplace this immense, and during your galas you'll love how the traffic flows back across the foyer to the formal dining room. Another fireplace graces this area, and the French doors provide access to 2 distinct private courtyards. As you pass through the butler's pantry on the way to the kitchen, you can't help but notice the large laundry room that is central to the home and provides a work area, utility sink, extra cabinets, and a Dutch hemlock door. The 2-story expanse of the kitchen can make this your favorite room. Anchored with free-form Mexican tile, you'll love the breakfast area that overlooks the back courtyard. Plus, the height and breadth of the cabinetry creates a need for a library ladder that is as functional as it is gorgeous. Stainless appliances, including a Wolf gas range and double oven, help make short work for the family chef, and it's all crowned with a gorgeous wood ceiling. For added convenience, a 2-car carport adjoins the kitchen for easy transfer of groceries. A bedroom wing offers 3 discrete areas, one that makes a great home office that's across the hall from a gorgeous full bath. 2 more bedrooms are located here, offering large closets, and 1 bedroom has an ensuite bath with an extra-large shower. Back off the foyer is where you'll find the isolated owner's retreat that offers access through French doors to the private side courtyard. You'll love the ensuite bath where separate vanities, shower, whirlpool, and room for a sitting area gives you plenty of space for simultaneous preparation. Downstairs, you'll find an informal gathering area with a wet bar and gorgeous built-in cabinets. The 5th bedroom is close by with its own ensuite bath. Also on this level, you'll have the option of a 2-car garage for your treasured vehicles. For outdoor living, you'll be amazed at the privacy and elegance of the courtyards, where you can relax with a good book or engage in great conversations with the grill close by to help quell the family's appetite. There's much more to learn about this wonderful home, so call now for a complete feature list and to schedule a private viewing appointment.